rendering from the same camera, but first we need to add lights. We will use two types of lights. We will use the Omni light for the lamps, and we will use some spotlights for the spots. Okay, so let's begin. I'm just going to go on the top viewport, press F3 on my keyboard to go and see wireframe, and go on the create panel, lights, on the drop down choose standard, and from here select Omni. I'm going to click exactly in the center of the lamp. Okay, so I've placed the Omni light here. Now let's make sure that it's placed correctly horizontally. If it's not, just drag it up until it sits exactly in the middle of the lamp. Okay. Now the problem with this lamp is that I don't want the light going spreading too far from it. So let's go under Modify panel and play a little bit with it. As you can see, the light type is on, we have shadows which are on, and the shadows are set to vray shadow. Okay, let's go in the intensity color attenuation rollout. Now we want to use a decay for it. Let's change the type of decay from none to inverse. As you can see, there's a huge blue sphere surrounding the lights. That's the area from which the light will start dimming. Now this sphere is too big. Let's just make it a little low, a little smaller. We're still in the decay tab, just decrease the start to about 10 or maybe even lower. Okay, let's just give it value 5, and this should be okay. And let's go back to the top viewport and duplicate the light for the other lamp. Just hold and drag on the x-axis until it's placed exactly in the middle of the right lamp. Now, when the clone options dialog appear, make sure that you set this light to instance. This is very important because I want to have the possibility to change both lights at a time. If you